Delicious Cacio Pepe on a budget. Cacio Pepe on the cheap. 200 grams of cheap pasta in a dry pan. 400 grams of water. Bring it up to the boil. Because we're using cheap pasta instead of good quality pasta, we have to cook the pasta in the pan, in the water like this, to capture as much starch as possible so we can get that to make the sauce. Season with salt, lots of pepper at the start. Move the pasta around in the pan to start releasing that starch so we've got something to form the sauce out of. Add more water as and when it needs it. As you can see, the starch is coming out of the pasta and combining with the water to start forming the sauce. I'm going to add some thyme from the garden because it's free and it gives a lovely little bit of extra flavour in there. Not too much though. Add in a generous knob of butter, start giving it a stir so the butter emulsifies into the sauce. Now the butter's melted in, turn off the heat. Take some cheap hard cheese from the supermarket. You want a young one so it melts easier into the sauce. With it, grating the cheese with the heat off or it'll split the cheese. Give it a stir. Add some more water. A bit more pepper. Microwave your cheese rind for a couple of minutes until it becomes a crispy parmesan wafer. Do the twiddly forky ladly thing to make it look fancy. Put it in a bowl to make it look pretty. Smash up your parmesan tweel. Crumble over the parmesan tweel to make it look fancy and pretend you're in a fancy restaurant. And enjoy!